If your door handles are peeling chrome or simply tough to open your door with, it may be time to replace them. Fortunately, we've got you covered. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 and 69 Buick GS and Skylark outside door handles. Resto Parts has manufactured this kit as a guaranteed exact reproduction. This kit has been tooled from factory original Buick handles. Unlike others on the market, our door handle kits are guaranteed identical in appearance, fit, and finish. Each complete kit includes the chrome outside door handles, door handle gaskets, chrome push buttons with rods, O-rings, button springs, and retainers. They cover both sides of the vehicle. Handles are made from tough die-cast zinc alloy and a case-hardened steel tool for exact dimensions. The quality is the most authentic in the industry. Finally, every handle is finished in a triple chrome plating that'll last a long time on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.